Hello everyone, welcome to this series on cultural studies, and in this video we are going to discuss the concept of aura in Walter Benjamin's theory. Introduction. Walter Benjamin, a seminal figure in the cultural and critical theory, introduced the concept of aura in his analysis of the historical development of the artwork. The aura, as defined by Benjamin, registers the irreducible specificity or uniqueness of traditional art objects. This uniqueness is deeply rooted in the origin of art within ritual and tradition, conferring upon each artwork a distinctive presence that cannot be replicated. Definition of aura. The aura is inherently tied to the ritualistic origins of art. In traditional societies, art objects were created as part of religious and cultural rituals, which imbued them with a unique significance and presence. This ritual context bestowed upon art an aura of authenticity and singularity, making each piece irreplaceable and deeply connected to its cultural context. Aura and ritual. The connection between aura, the ritualistic origins of art, is fundamental to understanding Benjamin's theory. Rituals impart a unique aura to art objects, making them more than mere physical entities. The ceremonial context and the specific cultural significance attached to these objects enhance their aura, giving them a special status that is deeply intertwined with their cultural and historical background. The impact of modernity. However, with the advent of modernity, the production and perception of art underwent a profound transformation. Technological advancements, particularly in photography, film, and printing, introduced new forms of art that were capable of being reproduced on a massive scale. Benjamin argued that this technical reproduction led to the destruction and decay of the aura. As art became more reproducible, its unique presence and authenticity were diminished, leading to a loss of the special qualities that defined its aura. Destruction of the aura. Benjamin's view on the destruction and decay of the aura highlights the impact of technical reproduction on art's uniqueness. The mass production of art objects strips them of their original context and significance, reducing them to mere copies devoid of their original aura. This shift had profound implications for how art was perceived and valued, as the unique, one-of-a-kind experience of encountering an artwork in its original form was replaced by a more detached, commodified interaction with reproduced images. Technical reproduction. Technical reproduction democratized art, making it accessible to a broader audience. However, this accessibility came at the cost of the art object's uniqueness. The ability to mass-produce artworks meant that their original context and significance were often lost, reducing them to mere copies devoid of their original aura. Examples of technical reproduction include photography, film, and printing, all of which contribute to the decay of the aura by allowing for the mass production of identical copies of an artwork. Consequences of aura decay. The consequences of the decay of the aura are significant. The loss of uniqueness and originality in art changes the way it is perceived and valued. Without the aura, art objects become less about their intrinsic qualities and more about their exchange value in a commodified art market. This shift has led to a re-evaluation of what constitutes art and how it should be appreciated and critiqued. Critique and legacy. Benjamin's theory of the aura has been influential in contemporary art criticism, offering a framework for understanding the changes in art production and perception brought about by modernity. Critics have both supported and challenged his ideas, debating the extent to which technological reproduction has impacted the authenticity and value of art. Despite these debates, Benjamin's concept of aura remains a critical tool for analyzing the relationship between art, technology, and society. In conclusion, Walter Benjamin's theory of the aura provides a compelling account of the historical development of the work of art. By highlighting the impact of technical reproduction on the uniqueness and authenticity of art objects, Benjamin's analysis offers valuable insights into the transformations of modern art. The ongoing relevance of his concept of aura underscores its importance in contemporary discussions about the nature and value of art in an age of mass reproduction. So this was the discussion on the concept of aura by Walter Benjamin. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.